Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2025. I just got done applying sunscreen while we're here in Salt Lake City, and I'm here with Darius from Quantum Design, and they have this really fascinating AFM with an SEM attached to it, and you've made a couple of updates to it this year, and I was hoping you could tell us all about it.
Yeah, so the kind of main thing that we're showing off is introducing EDS to this. So we already have that SEM in there and adding in an EDS detector. This system's called the FusionScope, and basically combines AFM with SEM and with EDS, which means that you can use the SEM to quickly scan around your sample, find an area of interest, do an AFM scan on that, and then do EDS right on top of that to get the elemental information. And because it's one system, it has a shared coordinate system, and so you can easily coordinate the EDS mapping with the AFM to tell exactly where each of your features are.
Mm-hmm. So some people might ask, where does this detector come from? Whose is it?
So we've made it integrated into our system and try to get as close to the sample as possible to get as many counts as possible for that, faster sample.
So this is your own EDS system that you guys built and designed yourself?
Yeah, and so it's integrated into the system, and we did a lot of work with the post-processing so that, of course you can export all these spectras yourself to analyze them, but also all the analysis can happen in software alongside your AFM detection so that you can map everything out all in one software piece.
So instead of dealing with SEM software and AFM software and then EDS software, it's all one thing in one piece of software on one computer on one screen, right?
Right, exactly. And so it's really helpful for making sure that you're actually measuring the same features and not just, a couple microns over or looking at a very similar feature, and really makes it so that you can know and be more certain of what you're actually looking at.
I was saying earlier that, it's easy to do two things at once, but to do three things at once is kind of a pain. So that's pretty fascinating. So how, if people want to find out more about quantum design and what other products you guys might have, where do they find you online?
So qdusa.com or also fusionscope.com for our microscope specifically.
Okay, awesome. Thanks a lot, Darius. And we got more coming from M&M 2025. Coming up next, stick around, or else Darius will find you.